Welcome to my presentation on the Procurement Dashboard. I am Tan Hui Xuan, the student who did this project, along with my partner, Ng Jingjie. The project is to address the issues that a procurement department would face. In procurement, there are procedures that the staff must follow when purchases are requested. The higher amount of money requested, the more complicated and lengthy the duration of the procurement procedure. Hence, staff may split their purchases to avoid going through these lengthy procedures, which leads to the lack of governance and compliance within the company. The current methods of identifying split purchases is through using Excel, which is tedious and minimized in its coverage. Hence, the Procurement Dashboard was created to identify these split purchases automatically, as well as include visualizations to aid in the analyzing the trends of the purchases made. The tool used is ClickView. The project is currently used in Singapore University of Technology and Design. Let's look at the key benefits. Efficiency. All the necessary information is now generated and presented readily in an accurate, reliable, and structured manner, with no human intervention, which may potentially be error-prone. This means that all manual methods are now converted into automations. Hence, there will be no room for error actually. Capability. Complex data models are now built on defined parameters to help the users to scan the database for potential cases of split purchases. Unlike before where they use Excel to drill down to the parameters one by one, they are able to build a set defined parameters in order to scan the whole database for potential cases of split purchases, thus higher capability of identifying these split purchases. Next, valuable business decisions. Charts and tables are provided for better visualization, comparison, and comprehension of past year's transactions profiles and trends. This information can be used for quality decision making, such as identifying possible potential purchases for demand aggregation in the future. So, through analyzing and predicting the future trends as of what they can identify right now, they are able to be readily prepared for any demand aggregation that is required in the future and be prepared for them. Enhancing the governance and compliance. With higher rates of identified split purchases, staff are unlikely to perform them because the rates of being caught is much higher right now. They are much more discouraged than before to perform split purchases. The key technologies used is ClickView. There were data modeling and coding involved in this project. Potential enhancements would include third-party data managing software that allows automation in reading new parameters. So because there will be new parameters in the future, hence it will be good to include some sort of third-party data managing software that could read in these new parameters into the dashboard, which improves the sustainability of the project. Next will be utilizing better software tools to allow selection of varying combinations of parameters that could potentially be a case. Then again, the new parameters, it will be good to use a better and much more flexible software tool that can allow the user to select the parameters they want to define it as a case of split purchase. Lastly, perform predictive analysis with scikit-learn library in Python. You can always use machine learning to learn the patterns of these split purchases in order to further improve the accuracy in identification of split purchases. The industry partner for this project is the Singapore University of Technology and Design. Thank you very much for listening.